Hello, my name is Razvan Ursachi, and I will explain to you how I created a small dungeon runner game in C++. This was representing my second hand in procedural programming. Firstly, I would like to show you how is the game working, so you will get more information about it. This is my maze here, and this is my hero, the white smiley. We have some walls, like represented by these white big spaces, and another obstacles, the black smiley here, and the B letter, which will just kill the hero if he will touch it. Here we have the sign from email, which is used as a key, and you will see why. And here we have two traps represented by two letters, by the letter of T and the letter of Z. One of the traps is sending you to another side of the map, but let's see how it is working. So I'm moving my character by typing the keys W, A, S, or D. So to move to the right, I have to press D. D. I was moving two times to the right. If I'm pressing D again, my wall is stopping me, so I cannot go through the wall. So I have to go down now. So I will press S, S, and I have to take care about the obstacle, the black smiley. So let's just go down, down, down. Okay, I got free from the first smiley. And here I have two options. I can go to the right or I can go to the left. So let's firstly go to the right. Going to the right, my map is just stopping here. So I don't have any chance. So I have to know how to go to this exit. So let's try to go to the keys, and here we have the keys. We got the keys, and right now you can see an exit is here, so I can just go to my X. Going to the X, the message you won will appear on the screen, and the program will ask you if you do want to play again, yes or not. So let's play again. Let's go right now on the left side of my map. Take care about the obstacles. Yeah, we are free. Okay, going back. Yes, free, 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 free. And here I have the trap or not. So I will just go on Z. I don't know if that's the trap. Yeah, and I passed. If I was going on the T, I think uh, the smiley would have changed its position. So I won again. Okay, I think right now you understood how the game is. So let's go to the code, and I will start by explaining it. Uh, I was starting by declaring the libraries as always, and afterwards I was declaring globally some of the characters and the matrix, which is more exactly my map. So I was declaring characters for hero, for the walls, for police, let's say, for the door, for open door, and for a gate, and for the win space. Afterwards, I was creating this matrix, which is representing my map. And firstly, for this, I was just drawing on a piece of paper. So you can see, let's rotate it. it is pretty the same with the map you have seen in the game space. Afterwards, I was creating a struct which will serve me for the declaration of the enemies. I will just go to the main function of my program right now, because there all the other functions are called. So I will explain you my program step by step. Yes. So here is my main, and here I was using the struct I was creating, and I was declaring two arrays for my struct from and the attributes declared during the struct will be used for these two arrays. So we can see here I have three different enemies. The black smiley, if you remember from the game, and each one is having its type and uh, its position on the map. Afterwards, I was declaring another characters and a boolean called OK, and of course the position of my hero, which is starting with 0 position on the X line and 0 position on the Y line. Afterwards, I was displaying the map for the first time. So let's see what is this function called display map doing. Display map is a function which is displaying my matrix, and it is displaying some text too, like a guide for the game. And afterwards, it is displaying the matrix called dungeon. It is a simple display of a natural matrix. So let's go back to the main function. Where do we are? Yep. And here a loop is starting, and this loop will stop just if my hero position will be somewhere out of the map or not in the game space. Um, Afterwards, inside the loop, we are reading what uh, you were typing. So let's go to the function called read, and let's see. The function called read, what is doing is reading from the keyboard what you were typing. So for example, you were typing W, so the computer will understand right now that you were typing W. Afterwards, we were checking the position of X and Y. So the hero position, we were checking it because we want to know where is it. Yeah, we want to know if you are going after the key. So if you are going after the key, another gate will open for you. You can remember maybe from the game space. This is stuff about obstacles. Yeah. Um, we are checking again here. What are we doing is to check if you are hitting any obstacles or not. If you are hitting obstacles, the boolean OK will be false, and we will ask later if it is false, you will lose the game. That's it. And here we have the big if. This check function, I'll show it to you. As I told you, it is checking if you are